In this video, I will show you how to change location on eharmony. First, open the eharmony website on your PC. Click Discover at the top left corner, then go to Member Preferences. Your search criteria will appear here. Scroll down until you see Where do I want to search? Click Edit. You will be able to choose any location you want. Then hit Confirm. And that's it. Your match suggestions will now update based on your new location. Super handy if you're planning a move or just open to long distance. And that is how to change location on eharmony.